A windy day. 1. A windy day has fast-moving air. 2. The trees move left and right. 3. I hear the wind blowing. 4. My hair flies in the wind. 5. I wear a cap or hoodie. 6. I fly a kite on windy days. 7. The sky is mostly clear. 8. Leaves fall from the trees. 9. Dust moves on the road. 10. I close the windows at home. 11. The wind feels cool on my face. 12. Birds find it hard to fly. 13. I hold my hat tightly. 14. My clothes move in the wind. 15. I run fast with the wind. 16. Wind makes the chimes ring. 17. I tie things so they don't fly. 18. I stay safe on strong windy days. 19. I like the sound of the wind. 20. I enjoy every windy day.